4G and 5G is now deployed by enterprises to connect their factories, warehouses, machines, vehicles. It replaces or complements Apache Wi-Fi or costly Ethernet. This results in massive saving for these companies. The German manufacturer showed that they save almost $1 million in energy and inventories for each one of their factory and for every single year. This has a major impact for the competitivity of these companies and a massive impact for the worldwide industry in general. That's why there is a profound change in the telecom business. You may not know it yet, but 5G is not anymore provided by few large mobile operators such as Verizon in the US, but through millions of very small 5G networks owned by enterprises. Of course, the 5G technology is the same in both cases, but everything else is different. The way you buy it, the way you install it, the way you use it on a daily basis. That's why traditional vendors in the telecom are not fitted at all for these new markets. At Firecell, we develop a different breed of 5G. A 5G that is affordable, super easy to set up and to use. And our secret sauce to actually make that happen is that we develop the most advanced open source software for 5G. At Firecell, we make 5G a reality for all enterprises. We have been recently selected by Alchemist, the very selective Silicon Valley accelerator, to expand in the US, and we welcome any win-win opportunity on that market.